The 22-years-old Ilebaye has been crowned the BBNaija All Stars winner. Ilebaye claimed the coveted top spot, leaving Mesieke, 33 years old, in number 2 position. For winning the show, Ilebaye is going home with a cash prize of 120 million naira, a weekend getaway for two, an SUV, among other awards. The 22-years-old was evicted from 2022's BBNaija Level Up season after only 3 days in the show. The show, which lasted for 70 days, was full of twists and intrigues. Mercy, CC, Cross, Adekunle, Ilebaye, and Lyric were the finalists for BBNaija All Stars edition, out of a total of 21 albums and about 5 others who were introduced to the BBN as midway into the show. Here are few things to know about Ilebaye Odilia. Ilebaye Odilia is a Nigerian criminologist, a reality TV star, entrepreneur, and fashion designer. Ilebaye is from Kogi State, Nigeria, and resides in Lagos. She's of the Igala tribe in Kogi State. She's a Christian and graduated from Salem University, Lokoja, with a degree in criminology and security studies. That's all for now. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to get notified when we upload good, helpful, informative videos like this.
Thank you.